Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 6 for T-Mobile. As of right now, it is on their website, but you guys can't order it right now. It comes out August 4th. So when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone should be available to be purchased on August 4th. So the REVVL 6 is available in China blue there, but it looks like a gray color there on screen. You guys have 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $169.99. Alright. So yeah, that's the front and back of the REVVL 6. Very nice looking phone. You guys have your teardrop notch with front facing camera there, triple camera system in the back. It kind of looks like the iPhone camera setup. If you turn it to the left, you guys will get the iPhone camera setup, which is very interesting there. So you guys do get 3 cameras in the back, camera flash, T-Mobile logo and whatnot. Yeah, there's the left side. I think your micro SD card and some card slot is on the left side of the phone. That's kind of hard to tell here. On the back, this is a closer look at the back. You guys got 3 cameras, like I said, camera flash, T-Mobile logo, and it looks gray there on the back, but it's a China blue color, which is interesting, but it looks gray there on screen. And there's the front of it again. Like I said, teardrop notch, power button, and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Features. Like I said, you guys do get 3 cameras in the back, at 13 megapixel main, 2 megapixel depth, and the 2 megapixel depth, 2 megapixel macro camera in the back. So it's pretty cool. 5 megapixel front facing camera, 30 hours of talk time, 26 days of standby time, 6.5 inch HD plus display there, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution there. So not bad for this phone, not bad. I wish it was full HD, but it is what it is, guys. Other features include 5G, which is the main selling point of this phone, 4500 mAh battery, triple camera system, MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. And it says here the T-Mobile REVVL 6 5G is the perfect balance of powerful performance and ease of use, with integrated Google features, a triple camera system, and a long-lasting battery, all on America's largest and fastest 5G network. That's what all carriers claim, so it is what it is. It is what it is on that. So specs on the REVVL 6 are pretty good. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so pretty good specs for what it is. So you guys have a 4500 mAh battery, USB Type-C charging, which is pretty much standard now, headphone jack, which is nice to see. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.2, MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, Android 12, 4 GB of RAM, 2 TB of micro SD expansion, 4G, 5G, hearing aid compatibility, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequency. The weight of the REVVL 6 is 6.84 ounces, the depth 0.34 inches, the height 6.56 inches, the width is 3.1 inches. Alright. What comes in the box is the T-Mobile REVVL 6 5G smartphone, USB-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions, and your SIM pin. It looks like it doesn't come with a charging brick in the box, but I could be wrong about that because I have not seen an unboxing of this phone yet, so I don't know if it comes with one. Don't be surprised if this phone does not come with a charging brick in the box. Don't be surprised if it don't come with one, but it's not listed here on the stuff that comes in the box, and their charging brick is listed on the thing here. I don't know if it comes with one or not. Don't be surprised if it don't come with one. So yeah. So there you guys have it, the REVVL 6 for T-Mobile. It's available as of August 4th for $169.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the REVVL 6 is worth taking a look at here. It is a very nice looking phone. It does have pretty good specs for what it is. and I think it's worth $120. I think it's worth $120. You know, I think it's worth every penny of it. I think, you know, it's a very nice looking phone. It has pretty good specs for what it is. It looks like it's gray there on the back, but it says it's China blue there for color. But it might look blue in person, but on screen here it looks gray. So it is what it is on that. But overall, it's a very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.